Coming out of the financial crisis, my 200,000 plus teammates helped transform Bank of America into a strong, straightforward, client-centric company. We focus on what we call responsible growth. That positioned us well to be a source of strength when the healthcare crisis hit. We were able to help our clients and ultimately the U.S. economy through the worst economic shock in recent history, while at the same time increasing investments in support of our teammates and our communities. For our clients, that included financial assistance through our business as usual work, and also helping deliver the timely federal relief programs across the board. We helped nearly 2 million consumers and small businesses defer payments on credit cards, vehicle loans, and home loans. Even with a deferral, the vast majority of those clients remain current on their payments, a good thing. We provided PPP loans to nearly 500,000 small businesses. 83% of those loans have gone to businesses with less than 10 employees, and nearly 40% have gone to businesses in majority-minority communities. We sent millions of emails to key clients and help them understand the program, encourage them to apply, and include targeted outreach to drive awareness to all communities. Apart from PPP, we remain the largest lender to small business, according to the FDIC, with $35 billion in small business loan balances, 60% of which is now in my communities. We also processed more than $73 billion in stimulus payments and took additional actions to help overdrawn clients access their full payment without offset. We deliver through our nationwide branch network, 1/3 of which are in LMI neighborhoods, and also through our digital capabilities. In 2020, as a complement to our successful Safe Balance checking account, we launched Balance Assist, a low-cost digital-only alternative payday type loans, allowing client need to borrow up to $500 for a $5 flat fee. We also increased investments in our team during the pandemic. We expanded many of the benefits, including support for mental health, free virtual medical consultations, and no-cost coronavirus testing. We offered teammates $100 per day to hire someone to come into their home and take care of their children or their adult dependents during the crisis. We have funded more than 4 million days for our teammates. We implemented coronavirus testing and daily health screenings and installed more than 44,000 wellness barriers in our branches. We provided special compensation programs for teammates, including supplemental pay, enhanced overtime pay, as well as transportation and meal subsidies, and we had no layoffs in 2020. We show that all employees are compensated well. Last year, we increased our minimum hourly wage to $20, a year earlier than we had planned, and we'll raise this to $25 an hour by 2025. Vendors within the U.S. also are required to provide wages at above $15 per hour. To date, thousands of vendor employees have also benefited by this. Since 2012, we have not increased medical premiums for teammates earning less than $50,000. For 2020, we provided special compensation awards to 97% of our talented team globally, the 4th year we have done so in a row. Maintaining our diverse and inclusive workplace continues to be a priority. 50% of our management team and 50% of our board is diverse. More than half our global workforce is women. And 45% of our U.S.-based teammates are people of color. We hired and trained more than 10,000 employees from LMI communities in the last 3 years alone. And finally, over the last year, we increased our investment to support our communities in a time of stress. In June 2020, we accelerated our longstanding work to promote racial inequality and economic opportunity to drive investments in jobs, small business, housing, healthcare, and local communities. We have committed $1.25 billion over 5 years and have already deployed $350 million of that, including equity capital investments in 17 MDIs and CDFIs, investments in 90 private equity funds, run by minority and women entrepreneurs and focused on minority and women-owned businesses, and donated 29 million masks and other PPE to underserved community centers. We increased our home ownership program to help more than 60,000 Americans get into their homes in LMI neighborhoods. We raised that goal from $5 billion to $15 billion this year. We're also helping to accelerate the transition to a low-carbon economy. We are committed at Bank of America to achieve net zero greenhouse gas emissions before 2050. We are working alongside and supporting our clients in every industry to help them make that transition. We at Bank of America believe in capitalism, and it's the best way to solve the challenges that are facing society. We operate by delivering great returns for our shareholders and delivering for society. We call that responsible growth.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.